Let's start with Magic Transit. To protect your internet presence, you first need to be able to monitor and protect all traffic destined for your network. Magic Transit allows you to advertise your IP prefix behind Cloudflare. This gives you access to protection and monitoring from within Cloudflare. Let's take a look. First, you can see in the dashboard the IP prefixes we are advertising through Magic Transit. When we pivot into the Network Analytics dashboard, you can start to see the visibility we have into the traffic destined for our protected IP prefixes. First and foremost is the Cloudflare's DDoS mitigation statistics, protecting your network from network layer DDoS attacks. You then have an interactive map that you can filter to view statistics like packet volume and even top destinations. Going down, you have summary information regarding the types of attack Cloudflare has protected against and the details of those attacks. And finally, log data around all of the requests that have been seen, from geolocation to source IP and even ASN. You can see there is a lot of information that can help you monitor and protect your internet presence. Now let's see Magic Transit in action. We are going to switch over to a testing endpoint. You can see where the endpoint is located based on its external IP. Now we are going to kick off a denial of service attack from this endpoint against our protected network in the background. Switching back to our Network Analytics dashboard, let's change the filter to show you live statistics. And there it is. We can see that Cloudflare has started to mitigate the new attack we just started. If we move down and filter on the source IP for the attack, we can see it matches our testing endpoint and you can see the corresponding spike in the volume of packets. Moving further down, we can get some more details about the attack. We can clearly see that it is in fact a UDP flood, and if we expand the activity log, we have lots of information about this UDP flood. We see the destination IPs it is attempting to attack and the port. We also see the volume of the data and packets as well as start and end times of this specific attack. The dashboard will also show us originating geolocation as well as ASN. The DDoS protection you saw is a default broad protection for your entire network. For more granular and precise security controls, we can actually go into the Magic Firewall. Magic Firewall can be accessed straight from the Analytics dashboard to write some rules to stop traffic outright. Since we already have a filter on our attacker's source IP, we can actually just press the Create Magic Firewall Rule button and it will bring us into the Rule Create wizard, with our filter already populating the rule. Moving around the rule creation page, you can see all the different parameters we can match on. What I'm going to do here is add a port to this rule as well. Since our attack came on UDP 5500, I'm going to add it to this rule. To sanity check our rule, you can see that we write out the rule in a common format like Wireshark, so you know that you will be matching on the right kind of traffic. Once we save the rule, you can see it shows up in our rule set, and once traffic starts matching on that rule, you will see the counters increment. Now that we have protected your network, we need to ensure that the legitimate traffic is able to reach our data centers. This is done through GRE tunnels from your data centers to the Cloudflare edge. In the Tunnel Health dashboard, you can see all of our data centers and the health of the established tunnels. Cloudflare's network can act as a hub for all your traffic from the internet and between branches and data centers. To learn more about how this works, join us for the WAN as a Service session later this week.